Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going good. Pretty good. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all how I store this green seasoning I made. Okay, y'all know I had made the green seasoning. And I had blended everything up and put them in these little containers. And then I put the whole container in this reusable Ziploc bag. Okay. This is what the container looks like. It's frozen. Now I've already unmolded the one I had in the orange container. Very easy. This is what they look like. So when I get ready to use them, I'll just take one or two and throw them in the soup pot. Look at that. Smells good. Instant seasoning. Okay, so I'm about to unmold this. So I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. But this is the name of this container. We Sprout baby food freezer tray. Come in this box. I got it from Amazon. I'll leave the link. And this is the container the freezer bags came in. Well, the reusable Ziploc bags. This came in a package like this. 6 came in a pack. So I'll leave the link to that too. I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. A little more. Okay. Take the lid off. You want something that's going to contain, you know how if you put a cut onion in your refrigerator, how it's going to smell up the whole refrigerator? And it's going to get in everything else? Okay, I'm trying to get this off. I just took it out the freezer. I'm glad it's secure. Okay, that's what it looks like. I think I'm going to put this like that. Turn it so y'all can see. Pop them out. So it's made for baby food. So some people make their own baby food. They blend it up. Blend up different concoctions and stuff. You can put breast milk in here. Freeze it. It has a little, like a divot at the bottom of this, so you can press your thumb. Oh. That's all. So this is what they look like. Y'all see them? So I'm going to put them in here. This is a regular Ziploc bag, but I'm going to put this Ziploc bag inside the reusable Ziploc bag. Make sure these don't build up no frost. So I'm going to wash this. Oh, this smells good. You don't want this kind of stuff sitting next to your ice cream if it's not going to contain the smell. That's how it looks. I'm going to put it in here so is double protected against frostbite, freezer burn, whatever you call it. Plus, my freezer is double protected from the garlic and the onion and all these peppers getting through to my ice cream and other things. So this is how I'm going to store my green seasoning. Okay. Like I said, I'll leave the link for this stuff. Very nice. Very nice. And this is just big enough to throw in a pot. And if you take a couple out and throw it out, it only takes a few minutes to throw it out. You can rub it on chicken, you can rub it on fish, beef. That helps season it. So you can have your wet seasoning, which is this, and your dry seasoning. So this is also a marinade. So I just want to show y'all, update y'all. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. I need a thumbnail. Okay. I can smell this through the regular Ziploc bag. I can't smell it through this. Okay. Nobody want the ice cream and the butter and stuff smelling like garlic, tasting like garlic. Okay, I'm going for real now. Bye.